I love you. Today on the Gabby and Mallory show, we're going to be talking about wet mattresses. Why are they wet? Did your bottle have a leak in it? Or did your pee have a leak? Wait. Surfing USA!
The way she swims. Do you want to put your finger in my belly button?
This one's
For you and me, living out our dreams. Ew. Right where we should be. I don't even know the words of the song. I open my eyes.
Go.
I'm a beach whale. Don't throw me back in the water.
Adventure time, come on, grab your friends, we'll go to very distant lands.